Hello everyone, I am so excited to be a part of the team here at Dietetics and Nutritionist Services. My name is Symone and I'm an accredited practicing dietitian, and I've been working in the space of prenatal health for over 7 years now. So as a mum of 3 myself, I am extremely passionate about helping other mums enjoy this phase of life that they're in. So from fertility through pregnancy and the postpartum journey, and oh, what a journey it is. Typical things that I can support you with will include things like a healthy rate of weight gain in pregnancy, meeting your nutrient needs or managing deficiencies, preventing and managing gestational diabetes, or just trying to figure out what to eat, because there can be a lot of confusion out there. So if this is you, get in contact for our online one-to-one sessions, and I'd love to support you through.
My door. Every night when the moon is shining, I pray you'll be coming back.